It's James Woods, aka That Yoga Dude. But feel free to feel free. Letting go of who I was yesterday. Not stressing over who I'm going to be tomorrow. And really living in who I am today. Every experience, sensation, thought of here, right now, in the present moment, I'm with. I'm present. My mind is here. My breath is here. My body is here. I'm aware. And I let go into the current moment. Understand that this is all I can truly do. Understand that peace, calm, real life is in this real moment right here. And I have the choice to make this moment whatever I need it to be. I breathe into this moment. I relax into this moment. I live this moment. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Enjoy the moment. And as always, feel free to feel free. And namaste. Peace.